Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome to another vlog, and today I'm making lunch. As we make this lunch, and let's just, you guys, I've been like wanting to do like a Q&A because it's been a long time ever since I know I have new people on my channel. So if you're here, you have any question that you would like to ask me, please go down in the comment section and ask me anything. I'll answer your questions in a video. Let's prepare the chicken to put it in the oven. I'm just going to set my oven and then prepare the chicken, put it on the tray because I was marinating it, and then after that I'm going to put it in the oven for it to cook. So while I was preparing everything, the rice was cooking, was boiling, and is ready right now. I'm just removing the water so that I can put it back in the saucepan, and I put some onions that I fried.
Yeah, it's throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like.
I'm only going to brain this to make soup, you guys. It was actually really sweet. You should try it and see. Our chicken is also ready. I'm going to serve the food. So here is in the evening, and my coworker offered to do my hair. She's learning, you guys. She's learning from my head, and I said it's okay. You can do it. I already had the braid, so she said let me do it for you. So get yourself a coworker who wants to learn things. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. How is my hair, guys? My coworker did my hair. How is it, you guys? She's trying. She doesn't know. She was just trying. This is like protective style. Right now I'm going to iron, and then after ironing I'm going to go to the kitchen to cook. My coworker fell in the bathroom, the one who cooks, and she's sick. She fell in the bathroom and hit down this side of her chest. It's been like 2 days, so that is what is happening. See you when I see you. Good afternoon, besties. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Happy Thursday. I've just finished cooking. I've put the food on the table. I'm waiting for the people to eat. Cooking is so overwhelming. As much as I love cooking, but it's so overwhelming, especially when you're cooking for people more than 2. I've finished cooking, cleaning the kitchen. I like whenever I'm cooking, I like to see the kitchen very clean. I cook as I wash the utensils so that when I finish cooking, there is nothing. Today is a long day. It's already 2:45, and we have visitors. Today is my boss's daughter's birthday and she invited her friends, so we still have a long day. I just wanted to give you a quick update. So this was the best party. Ask me why. It's because we didn't make dinner, and I was so happy. The only thing we did is to make coffee and chai. That's what we did. She bought all the food from outside. All we had to do is to put the food that she brought from the box to the plates and to the bowls, like sauce we put in the bowls so that they can look good, like presentable to the visitors. That's what we did, you guys, and everything was okay. One thing I love about girls here, they know how to do setups in anything, whether it's a birthday, anything. They know how to set up their things, and I'm learning a lot from them, you guys. They are not like trained or anything, but they do something and you see like it's so good, it looks beautiful. Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I came to pick some food here at my boss's sister's place. Is that how they say it? Right now I'm going back home. Let me show you the food first. So this is what I came to pick, and this here. Besties, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you're new, subscribe, like, comment and share. See you when I see you.